Well, there we are, more silly sausages. This is me coming back on a night trip from down Liverpool area. And if I remember so, because I've had this recorded on before and saved for a while, I think, yeah, this car overtakes on the right. Just what is the point in that? Just to come off on that slip road. I just don't understand it. Yeah, this is a pet hate of mine as well. Coming onto a slip road, and you get some clippity-clippet that decides to go like a snail and slow down approaching the motorway. Not only is it stupid, but it's really dangerous as well, because you've got to be gathering the speed to keep the momentum with the traffic on the motorway. Well, look at my speed there, 22 mile an hour, 24. Should be putting the foot down now. Got plenty slip road there to gain momentum. The van's braking out. It's a bit dubious what he's doing, or he or she. 36 mile an hour approaching the motorway. Hand your licence back in, please.
Fucking idiot, 40 mile an hour approaching on the motorway.
Absolutely ridiculous. Just a good job that it's really quiet.
Hand your licence back in now.
But yeah, there's absolutely, and I see that loads of drivers do that as well. I've even seen some of them stop like it's a giveaway. Right, I'm trying to remember what happens on this one. This is on the same journey, I believe.
I would say, what the fuck is going on between you and your sister, Megan?
Was it somebody with no lights?
You know, to be mentally unstable, she needs a solid relationship. She needs someone that's got a strong mind, someone who's keep her on the straight and narrow. Definitely people like that are fucking dangerous too.
Well, I'm still waiting. It's been that long since I've had this saved on my phone. Ah, lane hogger. Yeah. Lane hogger.
There's some people on motorways that can't drive.
Why? I think this is another one that just does not know how to indicate as well.
Nice indication.
I see about 20 of these a week turning into Carlisle train station. Yeah, 2 wagons tailgating. Wagon drivers say it saves them fuel, it's economical, not forgetting it's bloody dangerous. That vehicle slams his brakes on, he's straight into the back of him, isn't he?
It is, yeah.
But it's economical. It's okay.
There's supposed to be 2 seconds gap between them, eh?
Right. Obviously something happened behind here.
That idiot lane hogging, Harry. Mr. Mercedes driver, lane hogging.
Is it the lane hogger? Yeah, lane hogger, I think.
Get out, man, you
Or is it?
Honestly.
Lane hogger, yeah. Middle lane. All of himself. Just boggles the mind. He's still sitting there, totally oblivious to everything around him. Or her.
Still just lane hogging.
Gotta see him and her, you know. That could be a hermaphrodite, who knows? Wet conditions. Yeah, that vehicle is right up my backside. Yes, you may look and think he's a mile away. He's not. Look how quick it takes the white line from my vehicle to go to his. He's right up my backside in wet conditions, and that grates on me, that does. 2-second rule. Yeah, just pull out. That is a giveaway. He's supposed to wait, and even more so, just turns off. But he's indicating, he or she. But still annoying. I think this is a chap on the crossing that decides to cross when it's not on red. You can just see him on the left there, and he's on his mobility scooter. He attempted to go right out onto the road when we were on green. You'll have to have a look back on that. You can see it. But there we go. That's what you're supposed to do. Wait until your green man's on and off you go. Nigel Mansell. Pedestrians do that all the time as well.
You wait till you
Constantly.
the man comes on, tells you to cross.
But yeah, you know, it amazes me. People say, yeah, but pedestrians have the right of way. No, they didn't. If it's a pedestrian it's a pedestrian crossing with lights with a green man. They didn't have right of way at all if they're not on green. I think this is a car that pulls out and parks on the lane I'm driving on, but facing the other way. Here we go. Causing me to come out a little bit, just a stupid manoeuvre.
Never mind having a go at me.
And she had the audacity to like
You see her there?
pull funny faces to say I was in the wrong. And what happens here? This is like I say, this is like nearly a month ago. Oh yeah, good old indication from Octopus Energy. Octopuses have 8 arms and you can't even use one of them to indicate. Yeah, that's just great driving and awareness, isn't it? Yeah, I'll let you know what I'm doing. Sausage.
Bloody hell. Octopus Energy, force have 8 arms.
And if you beeped at them, they'd probably be totally oblivious, like, well, what are you complaining about? What did I do? Ah, you're my favourite M6 again. Yep, people just sitting in the third lane, more lane hoggers. Why? I do not know. I'll keep on saying that. Why? I do not know. Now in the middle lane, and they're sitting.